Yeah.
For some people, it is a no-no to carry weight for their body. So the best thing to do is to use resistance training like what we're doing here. But remember, it's not just the arms that we're trying to get to work out here. Even your thighs. I know a lot of women, palagi nireklamo,
Yeah.
ang kita ko, my thighs is medyo big. Well, here goes the exercise for thighs and butt.
Chad, this is like a lesson for me as well. Kayo kasi mga gym buffs. I think that not just for those people who are athletic, people who aren't exactly versed in going to the gym would also enjoy the process.
Now, what we're doing here is we're using also the resistance. Once again, all you have to do
is expand your legs. Expand it.
Tama ba? We'll widen it a bit using resistance.
Yeah, tama yan.
Yan. Imagine this. You can go from your upper body to your lower body. Now, if you do this standing up, you can even get your buns worked out.
Talaga? Okay.
Yes, you can actually do that. We have several of exercises. Now, to a lot of ladies out there na yung arms nila concern nila.
Yes.
Ngayon, we show them a little bit of exercise. Marami pa yun. We're gonna go back to that. But for those that talagang
Sa
want
legs
to
naman.
concentrate on their lower body with the skin, which means our aerobo can concentrate on the parts na gusto mong i-exercise. You don't have to do the entire workout, especially pag gym, di ba, Adrian? Usually you pay for it, let's say 3,000 a month, pang buong body workout. But what if you just want to do a little cardio and then concentrate on the side, focus on a certain area, di ba?
Actually, I like what you said, Chal, na hindi necessarily kailangan pumunta ng gym. Some people spend so many amounts of pesos just trying to buy exercise tapes, going through the entire workout then. It's the same process. But here, you're able